Have you ever wondered how to streamline the process of data collection and analysis? A well-constructed check sheet can indeed be a game changer. This simple yet powerful tool helps in organizing data systematically, making the identification of patterns and issues much more straightforward. Today, we dive into the art of creating an effective check sheet in just 5 easy steps. Scene script. Step 1. Define the purpose. Before you even draw a single line on your check sheet, clarity on its purpose is crucial. Ask yourself, what specific data are you trying to collect? For instance, if a restaurant wants to track the frequency of dish orders throughout the week, the purpose of the check sheet would be to record the number of times each dish is ordered. Output. Step 2. Identify the data categories. Once the purpose is clear, the next step is to decide what categories of data need to be included. Continuing with our restaurant example, categories might include the different days of the week and various meal types like appetizers, main courses, and desserts. Scene script. Step 3. Format the check sheet. The layout of your check sheet should facilitate easy data recording and reading. Typically, you would place the categories on the left column and use the rows to mark the data as it comes in. For our restaurant, each row could represent a different dish and columns could be dedicated to each day of the week. Output. Step 4. Test the check sheet. Before fully implementing your check sheet, conduct a test run to ensure it works as intended. This might mean using it during a slower business period to track a small amount of data. Any issues in categories or formatting can be identified and adjusted during this phase. Step 5. Implement and analyze. With testing complete and adjustments made, it's time to put your check sheet into full operation. As data is collected, it will begin to offer insights. For the restaurant, perhaps certain dishes are more popular on weekends, suggesting adjustments to inventory and staffing. In summary, creating an effective check sheet involves defining its purpose, identifying relevant data categories, formatting the sheet for clarity, testing for practicality, and finally, implementing and analyzing the collected data. Each of these steps plays a vital role in ensuring that your check sheet not only serves its intended purpose, but does so efficiently. Remember, the goal of a check sheet is not just to collect data, but to unlock actionable insights that can lead to informed decision-making and improved outcomes.